Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's see what we got here. All right, just a little pre-market analysis. All the draws of liquidity are below us. We've taken out the previous day's high, right? Now we have all of these draws below us. The market is bullish. What do you think everyone's gonna be doing? They're looking for buys. But we have draws and liquidity below us. So basically everyone's gonna be looking for buys. So this sell is going to be aggressive and quick. So all we're looking for our BME cycle towards the downside. As soon as we get an inversion fair value gap, we're hitting it. Now, I might be wrong. I might be wrong. It happens. But risk management is going to keep us jiggy. Right. My sell off this block. Right there. This is what I want to see price reverse from. If we break above this high, it's over. Oh, look at that. Literally, this is gonna be scary. We're just targeting there. But it's all happening pre-market, which is a little bit. This is going to be one of them ones. Basically, need to see that getting burst. It's given us the play before the market's opened. Okay, we're going up. It's fine. Thing is, what I want to do also is let the first 10 minutes of the market just do what it does. Even that move there, just 40 points with a very tight 50 points with a tight stop. That'll give us a nice 3-1. Let's get charted up on MNQ. Don't really want to see it break that. But if we're delivering off of here, then it might be what it wants to do. Cool. This is the most recent. Now, what I'm looking for is the sell into here. I'm looking for the sell into here. Also, from this swing to there, right, from there to there, we have balanced, yeah? So this is now a draw on liquidity. Right. So even if price is going to come down, sweep that and go up, it's got a reason to come down. What's the time? 26. This is just going to be one of them ones. I'm just going to have to hit it. Got a lot of reason to come down to go up. But think about it. Everyone's going to be buying off this level. So there's so much liquidity here. Everyone is waiting for this buy. Just quickly check the news week. What's the news? Right. So that is the news week. All right, I'll tell you what this is gonna now because it's swept the news week. It's gonna target this one. Mm-hmm. On it. Give me an entry. Oh man. Free market. FOMO. Discipline, discipline, discipline. What did I fucking say though? What did I say it was gonna do? It's heading. So many draws on liquidity. The news week. Mm. 40 points. So I'd have been happy with that already. Nah, discipline. I'm gonna be real with you. Trading NQ is quite frustrating because once the drawn liquidities have been taken out, there's you just got to leave it alone. So it happens quite a lot. Please go back up. Give me an entry. I'm not just full porting it down there. Oh, that could be it. Yep, I'm taking the sell off of that. Yep. 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 Trail, trail, trail. You know you want to go down for that. If it breaks above that, it's over. Just there. Okay, it's over. Ah, right, we're down 260 on the day. It's no problem. I will take one more go at this. I'm just a little bit too. If we inverse that, if we inverse that, if we inverse that, I'll sell. We've held. We're holding, but we have big draws. Is it so bullish that it's just gonna? I want this. Taking one more stab at it. Really put it in the right place. if we break this low, I'm hitting it. Draw is lower. The draw is lower. You know it is. And I'll be moving my stop loss to here if we break that low. Draw is lower. Yeah. Draw is lower. Really? Lower. No, it is. Wrong, I'm wrong. Sweep that. Sweep it and let's go. Sweep it and let's go. Just do what you want. Sweep it. Let's go. Draw is lower. Trust your edge. Trust your edge because the draw is lower. Give me the inverse fair value gap. This. Just sweep that and inverse that, and I'll be on my way. Okay, that's it. That's the sweep. That's the sweep. To be fair though, I just feel like if we create a fair value gap here, I might even take the long flip. The draw is lower. But sometimes it's so bullish, it's going to come back for it later. If it's going to run, it's going to run now. It's got what it wants. If it's going to sell off, it's going to sell off now. It's bullish, bro. Hey. We're flipping on the basis of that being the sweep and the push. Then draw is lower though. Draw is lower, the draw is lower. Trust in your analysis. We're reacting off of this block here. This. So that's what it's doing. We start inversing out of this area, then we're going to melt down to my TP. Nah, it is bullish, bro. What is going on? I can't go lower than a 15-second chart. This is a criminal. We'll be down 300, 600 on a day. That's fine. It's one more attempt at that. Nah, it's gonna. Okay, maybe that's it. Maybe it's gonna drop now. Draw is lower. Trust in your source. Draw is, oh, look at it. Picasso. Right. Has it got what it wanted? Is it gonna go down now for that? Oh, look at it. That's all. Come on, keep going. This now becomes the draw. You know, I'm trying to take my TP off. We'll just have a, just in case it flies. The draw is lower. Beautiful. Push. Mm, okay. We're gonna flip, but we're gonna wait. Gonna wait. Wait for the opportunity to present itself. Right, we're down 590. We got one more trade before we have to stop. All right, so the play that's happening right now. Do you know what I don't want to see? What I don't want to see there. See is it sweep up of that and drop. I'll be fuming if I've got that wrong. I haven't though. Nah, because that was the one that broke structure. Yeah, that's basically flipped our BME cycle, so that's going up. We're not just going to FOMO into a buy. We need to, all right, let's get our structure drawn. All of this. Right, that's the sweep. That's the play right there. Now, what we want to see, that is not liquidity. Right, so that's the sweep. That's the beginning of the play. There's the break of structure. Now, what I want to see, let's come back in, bang out of there. So primary mitigation target, so secondary mitigation target. I want to see some liquidity swept. Yep. Needs to create liquidity. So this is our trade. Look something like this. This is our. Oh, I hope there's. Problem is, yeah, the liquid. There's a lot of reason for this to go down. This could go up, sweep that, and then tank, and then it just break this. But we'll catch that if that's a correction. We'll catch that. She comes. I need to be one more in. That's it. Tap in. Oh, don't piss me off. It's doing what I needed it to do earlier. Got a feeling this is going to just tank straight through. I'm looking for an inverse fair value gap now that we've mitigated. Just need to see that. Uh-oh, we're glitching. Yes, Mike. Bro, this is glitching. Why is my mouse glitching? Let me unmute you. Where is Mike? To unmute Mike. Bro, I'm about to get the entry. Just bear with me. Right, there we go. Oh, we inverse that fair value gap. We're hitting it. Handle closes. Yeah, it's recording. I need to see displacement out of here. Yeah, that's what I need to see. Stop loss underneath. Conservative there. Unmute everyone. Now, if I'm wrong and it goes down, we'll be in a correction play, which is. Bro, I don't even know how to unmute people. Mute all. Oh, there we go. Ask to unmute. Yo, I can't do it. Just bear with me, bro, because it's about to. All I'm waiting for is, let's get rid of this box. This green box. Turn it up a little bit. Price closes above that green box, and then we're looking for the buy. If this fails, it's heading down to the draws on liquidity that I spoke about earlier, which I think it actually is. This is not looking. But that's fine. Don't know if I'll take that though, because 15-second chart. Right, displacement. I need a fair value gap. No, I ain't getting it. Small looks like it's flipping holding for the sell, you know. Hmm. Yep. Is she gonna run? Is she gonna run? Draw is lower. Give us something. Do you know what we need? We need for this to go up. We need all of this to get swept. If this can get swept, inverse fair value gap from here. Taking the sell. Move out of the way. Yeah. That could be it. I need to see. Spitting all the flow at a minute. Okay, okay. Give me a fair value gap. That's enough displacement. Just give it to me. That's enough that. That is enough. Enough. So reveal your hand. Reveal your hand. All right, running down to that. If we break that low, it's running down there. I won't be entering. Give us a gap. That's the gap we need to see. first. Yeah. Reverse it and we have a trade. If you respect it, that's probably going down for the draw. Let's look a bit. Oh, my mouse is like glitching. Actually putting this up on the phone because the mouse is glitching. Imagine it freezes while I'm in a trade. And okay, I'm in. And my stop loss is below there. $270. Buying another 3. I'm in for 6. I'm going up here. Oops. I'm going up here. 6, 7. 6, 7. And what though? We're down 5-9 on the day. Okay, if we're wrong, I'm done. Won't be chasing this loss. No way. Okay, that's not good news for us. It's not invalid yet. We're holding. We're holding. We've inversed that. We're respecting this. You just got to let the stop loss do its job. That sweep is our last hope for a push up. Yep. Give us the push. That's the push. Down. We're down 1,200 on a day if this don't work. I'll only. Okay. Today could be a stinker. That sweep is our last hope for this to work. Draw. The draw was lower. Oh, send us. Send us. Draw. This is not this up. Push up. All right. But don't go up from here. It's over. You have what you want. That should be it. You should go because there's nothing else left to take. Unless you want the lower draws, which are down here, 1200 on the day. I don't think I'll be entering again. I've read this, or maybe I was too early in the sell. Too early in the sell, and then the buy didn't work. Nah. And let stop loss do its job. So close. Yikes. Let's do its job. Oh my gosh, if it goes up from there. How many? 2.2 pings. Just go. Yes. Go on. Go on. Yes. Displace out of there unless it's doing a sweep before the final climax. It might be. Could be sweeping to tank. Oh, look at it. Still can go down. It could just be going up to come down. We have a 1 minute. That is why you need to let your stop loss do its job. Let your stop loss do its job. It can still come down. It could have just been. It could have just been going up to sweep that. It got what it wanted. So now it could just tank and take me out. Ah, like it's doing right now. Yup. Okay, on that basis, I'm taking the sell because that's what it wanted. That's the sweep. That's the sweep before the push down. All right, guys. I never want to see anyone else doing what I just did there. But basically, I just flipped very quickly without a play. But that is where my protected high would be there because that's the sweep for the push down to my drawn liquidity, which is down here. Where it's pelting towards now. Well, are we going to go lower? There we go. Okay, so guys, that just takes skill. And now, yikes, get rid of this. Now you need to trail your stop. I'm going stop loss to break even. We're straight into that draw, so we're there now. I feel like I'm just gonna TP. 15 seconds. I'm taking out the draws. Let's just look. Like what I did just there, right? I'd only recommend you do that if you can see the play both ways. I'm gonna TP there at $500. I'm still at a loss on the day, but that move that I marked out is over. So sometimes you just need to know when it's over. So it's come down and it's literally taken out that news wick, which is there, the bottom of that news candle. Now, potentially from here, there could be a buy. But the safest draw liquidity was this mitigation zone and that news candle wick. So from there to there. Sorry, there to there. So I'm gonna take the loss, I think. I'm gonna take the loss. I don't think I'm gonna re-enter. Because I just don't have a draw above now. Fair enough, you might have that. But there's still London low, Asia low. It's just a bit techie. We've taken out the high, we've come down. I was expecting price to obviously take that high out, shoot down into these lows here, and even maybe come down into the 50% of this range here. So this would have been my next target. Do you know what? Like, I've recovered a bad day into a not so bad day. I think that's a win. I think that's a win. Let's have a look. Now, this could be a good play. 1 minute fair value gap there, mitigate. The Newswick has been taken. It's just like there's no like major draw above. It's just you've got to know when you're drawing liquidities. Would I take a sell from here? That's a good question. Do I have what I need? Oh, I do. I do. Let's come back up, hit that block. Does it want to go lower? Well, this is the sell area. This will tell us if this holds. Okay, that's not really holding. It's inversing. Have a 1 minute. That's not. This is an inverse fair value gap. This has been disrespected, but it's not inversed. Right, let's just wipe our charts. If we're taking a sell, it's from there. Gated. So the sell is from here. Draws. It's our primary mitigation target. It's our secondary. Oh, we're gonna get it. I don't know. If we inverse that, I will take another trade. Violated it. Stop loss is going there. Draw is sugar. We can find the Asia low. Sensational. I'm not risking anything. I'm going stop loss to stop loss to break even now. If it takes me out, it takes me out. If she runs, she runs. What would this look like if that was there? 198. Oh, what the fuck just happened there? Are you joking? What the fuck just happened there? Ah, no, no. What was that? What just happened? Ah, okay, no. I don't know if I'll be re-entering. I mean, our entry was there. Would we have got taken out? We were at break even. Would we have got taken out? That's annoying. I hope we get taken out. Don't run. You fucker. All right, I'm re-entering. Putting it where it was. Yeah. $100. Fuck happened? Just measuring and then I pressed the wrong button. I need to find where the fucking target is. Oh, is that 6:30? London low and Asia low is Oh, I know that. That's Asia low anyway. Sure. Okay, you come back up to take us out. Yeah, that's a sweep to go down. We put this there. Sweep to go down. Come on, just tank us. You got all the liquidity out there. Good job that we moved our stop loss above that inverse fair value gap. There she goes. She's gonna run. I'm not gonna lie, we had a better entry. We had a much better entry. Oops. There she goes. Right, when we break that, I'll be going stop loss to break even. Even though it's there, stop loss needs to be like above this sweep. We made profit on that last trade though, because this number seems to be lower. We should be safe above that sweep. There's a block there. Liquidity. There's a block. There's liquidity sweep, then bang. Lovely, lovely. Go on then. Push for it. Even if we hit TP, we're still probably going to be down on the day, but like, cool with that. Do you know what? Fuck it. I'm adding. We trailing it. Beautiful. Push. Go on, push, push, push. Push, push, push. Selling like at the bottom. This is just criminal, but I think the draws are lower. This was a sell down into the draws. Okay. We've broke that low, so I don't really think that's the sweep to go up, but I could be wrong. I'm just run. Just run. Run, run, run. Right again. So there's a block. There's liquidity. Sensational. Look at it. Oh, just run. Run the lows, run the lows, run the lows. want to go break even, but this is liquidity. Might need to sweep that for the push down. Can't just give us a massive big boy candle. $100. Come for the draw. You want to come for the draw. Come for the draw. We're going to trail. Yeah. Melt. All right. Boom. Sexy. Come for the second. Come for the second. Right, I'm going to stop loss break even. Come for the second draw. Come for my TP. Come for it. You know what? Okay. I am. Need to see that hold. Yeah, yeah. She was a fairy. Yeah, yeah. Come on, bleed out. Do you know what? She was a fairy. Yeah, yeah. You know what? I'm gonna take a partial there. Stop loss to break even. Because just because we have taken that London low, that might be enough to send it up, and then we're effed. Yeah, yeah. She was a fairy. Come for the Asia low. London low could be enough to send it up, but then it's just, like, do we have draws above? So, like, do you know what I mean? You've just taken out internal range liquidity. Hmm, hmm, hmm. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. We're not even at the 50% of this swing. Oh, look at her. Look at her. Do we trail? Should we trail? Sensational. Yeah. We're holding order flow. I'm just thinking, how many times have I TP'd early and it's just ran? Let's look at some higher time frame targets. Okay, we're about to take out that second draw, which is the Asia low. Let's just see what happens here. I'm going to take another partial one. I'm going to take one more. I'm left with 2 contracts in. My final TP, I mean, 50% balance of the swing. Do you know what? We're not gonna actually put a TP on. I'm going to just see what happens. Although that is my soft TP there. We stop loss to break even. We're Gucci at the minute. Okay. Don't judge me, but I can see another play here. See liquidity here. I think it would be safe to say that this is now forming another BME cycle. Right. So there's the break of structure, push back in, there's liquidity. I mean, that was the sweep that gave the push. All right. From here, I'm putting stop loss above here. So we're going to be in profit if we get stopped out. Yo, don't judge me, bro, but if that gets inversed, I'm hitting it. I'm a savage, bro. I'm a savage. Savage. I'm a savage. Gotta take risks. Oh my gosh. If we break that low, I'm gonna stop loss to break even. Oops. Break that low. I'm gonna stop. We